Here we go. Oh my God. Everybody, here we go. We are riding Kingda Ka here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Still the world's tallest roller coaster and the second fastest in the world. There's still something to me about looking down this launch track right here and thinking, holy crap, we're about to go at speeds of nearly 150 miles an hour and climb 400 feet in the air. It's a little crazy. All right, guys, get ready for it. Here comes the oh crap moment. Here we go. Oh crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is absolutely freaking crazy! Oh man! Woo! Oh man! How that is nuts! Holy crap! Still one of the most insane roller coasters in the world. Kingda Ka here at Six Flags Great Adventure. World's tallest roller coaster. Man, that is just freaking amazing. World's tallest roller coaster, Kingda Ka. Oh man, this is one intense ride.
Are you gonna be on YouTube? You're gonna be famous.
Are you gonna close your eyes? I may have to close my eyes.
I can do it.
All
I'm
right,
ready.
we can both do this. All right, get ready, everybody. Oh man, we're like launching in like 100 and something miles an hour. Was it like 126 miles an hour?
I don't
130?
know. That's a lot of numbers.
It's like somewhere between 100 and 150. That I know.
Okay. Would you rather be on Kingda Ka or Zumanjaro?
Or both at the same time.
Oh wait, we're doing both at the same time. Oh dear.
All right, get ready, everyone. Here we go. Oh my God. Cheeks intact. Wow. My contact lenses are still in.
How are they still in after that?
Oh my God, I have no idea.
I don't even wear contacts and I think they're out.
Oh my God, that is amazing. Still probably one of my favorite roller coasters just because it's so impressive, so intense. Woo! How did you do?
I don't know.
Oh, I love it.
Woo!